Hello dear viewers. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and that is benefits of aloe vera for skin. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing property, and it's commonly used for its natural skin treatment. Before we get into how to use it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. You can also share this video after pressing the like button if you find it useful for you. Thank you. Now let's take a moment to understand what aloe vera is and why it's so powerful. Aloe vera is a succulent plant with long green leaves filled with a gel-like substance. This gel is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for our skin. Now let's see some simple recipes using aloe vera for different skin care. First, soothing aloe vera face mask. You will need 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, half tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon plain yogurt. In a small bowl, mix together all these ingredients. Apply the mixture evenly on your clean face using your fingertips or clean brush. Leave the mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and dry the skin. The cooling properties of aloe vera makes it a good remedy for various skin problems such as sunburn, rashes, and acne. That's why this mask is excellent for soothing and calming your skin. Second, hydrating aloe vera and cucumber toner. Take 1/4 tablespoon aloe vera fresh gel, 1/4 tablespoon juice extracted from a grated cucumber. In a blender, combine these 2 ingredients. Blend it until it is smooth. Apply this toner on your clean face using a cotton pad. Let it dry naturally on your skin. This hydrating toner helps balance your skin's pH. It soothes the inflammation and provides a refreshing sensation. Aloe vera gel is an excellent moisturizer that penetrates deep into your skin, providing long-lasting hydration. I hope you will find these recipes, which we have mentioned right now, very much useful. Remember one thing. Everybody is born naturally beautiful. You must live in harmony with nature, for it holds the secret of our wellness. This was all from today. Till the next video, take care and stay healthy.